Factor tree of 260. So 260, it can be written as 2 times 130. 2 times 130 mean 260. 130, it can be written as 2 times 65. 2 times 65 mean 130. 65, it can be written as 65, it can be written as 5 times 13. 5 times 13 mean 65. So now we select the prime numbers in all these numbers. So prime numbers are 13, 5, 2 and 2. So we can write 260 is equal to the product of all these prime numbers, that is 2 times 2 times this 5 and times this 13. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.